Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. I just wanted to share how much I love these side tables. It's got that clean, modern vibe with a beautiful natural wood finish that warms up the room. What really stands out to me is the smooth, rounded edges that give it a soft, cozy look, and it's super safe if you got kids around. The open shelf is great for keeping your current reads or charges close by, and those two drawers are just perfect for hiding away all those little things you don't want on display. This is very compact but still super functional, and those tapered legs give it a nice mid century touch. And paired with this woven lamp like this one, totally gives it a boho chic moment. These nightstands come in two different sizes, so make sure you get the right one for your needs. The smaller one is not the best for a high bed, but it's perfect for a shorter one. The larger one with two drawers will probably meet most of your needs. So, if you're looking for a nightstand with the three S's, simple, stylish, and so useful, check out this one out by Vadisun. And that's my point of view.